Well, it's that time when we dive right back into our holiday gift guide. And this year, we're focusing on both practical items and also some gifts that will last. Nicole Pearl walks us through her top picks.
Nicole, thank you for coming to help us with all of our holiday shopping this year. What are some of the top things that we could give other people?
Thank you so much for having me. I have so many great gifts for everyone on your list. And the first is really focused on skincare because that's top of mind right now. She will love the new Olay Regenerous Retinol 24 Mask Night Face Moisturizer. So this will hydrate your skin for 24 hours. It's got 20% more of their Retinol 24 complex, which means that it's super potent, but it is vitamin B3, so it will not irritate your skin. It's only $35, and you can get this right at the drugstore. So if you need a last-minute gift, this will save you. The next gift is all about stocking stuffers. You really want to find a good one that everyone will be happy with. These are the cutest. They're Olika hand sanitizers. They're adorable. So they not only will kill the germs, but they have aloe vera and pure essential oils so they won't dry out your hands. They smell delicious. They're recyclable, refillable. I'm telling you, everyone in your family will love these. The next gift is all about your manicures because I'm sure you perfected that manicure at home. So now we're going to elevate it. These are from Doctor's Remedy, and they are the most wonderful formulas. They're polishes that were created by doctors. So I love them because they're pen-free, vegan, but they also have good ingredients like biotin, which will strengthen your nails, tea tree oil, natural antiseptic. So you can really treat your nails while you're doing your manicure. Now, the next gift is really focusing on the clean beauty trend. It's so big right now. And Beauty Counter is a leader in the cleaner, safer products. And they are doing wonderful makeup. This is their Golden Hour all-in-one palette. I love this gift because a portion of the proceeds will support communities impacted by mica mining in India. So you can enjoy your highlighter, blush, eyeshadows while also feeling like you're giving back. So this is a great gift, as are all their holiday sets. Now, the next gift, we need to talk about small businesses and supporting them. It's a great opportunity to gift and support small businesses. This is the Cookie Cup Bakery, and they've created this adorable unicorn cookie cup baking kit. So it gets everything that you need to make the most adorable little cupcake. I tried this last night with my 3-year-old daughter. We had so much fun. It has the tools, ingredients. She loved the unicorn theme too. And you can get this right on thecookiecup.com. Now I want to talk about gift sets because strategically speaking, they're great values and they give you that limited edition feel because they're often exclusive. So Strivectin is doing great gift sets. This year, their packaging is greener, it's recyclable, and I love this one. It's the Mini and Mighty Wonders gift set. It's under $20. It has 2 of the most popular creams, and it's a little ornament. So it's a gift that's already packaged for you. And so this is definitely a winner. Cute. And lastly, we all love flowers. Who doesn't love a wonderful flower arrangement? Now this is to the next level. These are from Venus at Floor, but these are eternity flowers, which means they will last you an entire year. No maintenance required. You don't have to water them or anything. Just enjoy the beautiful aroma. This is their new Maison collection, but really you can choose any vase, color, flower, and create that custom arrangement that feels super special as a gift.
These are so good because you've covered every age range, things you can do with your kids, and then also to do that self-care. Thank you, Nicole, so much for all the gift ideas.
Thank you so much for having me. Happy holidays.
And now time to shop. Nicole has more gift ideas at thebeautygirl.com.